off-spin bowling, off-spin, no problem. Now another variation in off-spin bowling, that is known as when the ball after pitching bowled by the off-spinner, when it is going straight, it is known as overspin bowling. Toss spin is a ball bowled by the right hand leg spinner. If the same ball is bowled by the off spinner, it is known as overspin bowling. Ball after pitching, it will go straight. It will not turn. It will bounce more. It will dip earlier. Top spin, that is bowled by the right hand leg spinner. Off spinner, when he is bowling straighter one, it is known as overspin. Different terminology is used in different by the different bowlers. Okay, so overspin, the grip for the overspin is the same as you have gripped in off-spin bowling. Same, there is no change. Index finger, that is on the seam, slightly first joint of the index finger is bent, second finger comfortably apart with some distance, first joint is tight and thumb is close to the index finger. That is the grip for the off-spin, and the same grip is for the overspin bowling. Now there is a change in the position of the wrist at the time of delivering the ball. When you deliver the ball, your wrist position will be changed, number one. Number two, fingers will rotate in different directions. In off-spin bowling, finger and wrist, they are moving towards fine leg region, backward square leg, okay, and seam of the ball is tilted 45 degree towards backward square leg, right? Your fingers and wrist, they are going in the same direction. Now, in overspin bowling, your finger and the wrist, both of them, they will move towards the batsman. Towards the batsman, in off-spin, after releasing the ball, wrist turns slightly outward. Now there is no outward turn of the wrist. The wrist will go towards the batsman. Fingers, they are rolling over the ball. Rolling over the ball. This is the position. And after releasing the ball, thumb will go towards the batsman. In off-spin, after, because it is outward rotation, automatically the thumb will come on the outside. Now it is overspin. Over the seam of the ball, you are spinning it this side. Okay, so fingers and wrist will go towards the batsman. After releasing the ball, your thumb will go towards the batsman. There is no outward turn of the wrist. This is the position. Now here, release the ball towards the batsman. It will not go this way. Okay, release the ball little bit earlier. Okay, arm is same way in off-spin bowling, as arm is close or slightly away, it is okay, no problem. Body position, side on, same position. Only thing is wrist. Seam of the ball will go straight. It is only a forward spin. There is no side spin. Forward spin, and the ball will dip earlier, and it will bounce more. It will go straight. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Go. Partner के साथ.